In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the number widget on Monday.com. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide and make the most of the powerful tools Monday.com has to offer. To start, you'll want to navigate to Monday.com. If you're not familiar, Monday.com is a work operating system that powers teams to run projects and workflows with confidence. It's a comprehensive platform that allows you to organize everything crucial to your workflow in one place. Once you've reached the site, the next step is to click on the Login button. This will be visible at the top right of the homepage. It's important to note that logging in gives you access to all your boards and tools customized for your workflow. After clicking Login, you'll see several options for signing in. For today, we'll continue using the Google Login option. Simply click on Google and then select your Google account to proceed. Now that we're logged in, let's head to your board. This is where all the action happens, as boards are where you can monitor tasks and track your team's progress visually and efficiently. Once you're on your board, look up at the top of the screen for the plus icon to create a new view. This little icon is powerful, allowing you to switch perspectives and see the data in a way that makes the most sense to you. After clicking that plus icon, you'll see several options to choose from. Today, we're going to focus on selecting the chart. This will allow us to integrate various widgets to view our data. It's a valuable tool for visual learners who prefer to interpret information graphically, and charts can summarize data proficiently and effectively. Once you've selected chart, you'll want to add a widget. You should see this option clearly displayed, and it helps to enhance the functionality and versatility of the charts by providing additional data insights. Click Add a Widget, and from the subsequent menu, you'll choose Numbers. The Numbers widget is basically your trusty sidekick when it comes to quickly seeing numeric data, metrics, and summaries. It can give you quantitative insights at a glance. By following these steps, you now know how to set up the Number widget on Monday.com, allowing you and your team to make data-driven decisions with ease. Whether you need to quickly see a summary of your completed tasks, track sales, or just see the progress in numeric detail, the Number widget offers a straightforward way to get that information. I hope this guide helps you maximize your use of Monday.com, making your project management much more efficient and rewarding. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.